Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to print on a Mac. So open any file, the PDF file or any file that you want to print. So once you're on that file, go to File menu, and within the File menu, you have this option called as Print. Just select that, and then you would be able to see this print preview window where you can select printer that you want to print. So right now I've set up with a dummy printer, and you can change all the settings that you want according to your need. So if you want print to be happen on a double-sided, you can just go and turn it on. If you want to print a color, you can just keep it toggle this on, or if you can go on and rotate and all other stuff. So once you set up all the things according to your need, you can just go and simply click on the print command and it will automatically print based on your setup. So this is one of the easiest way to print. Now if you have any other application which you want to print from there, you can do the same. So let me example the Chrome browser here. So if you want to print from the Chrome browser, again you can go to the File menu, and here you have the option called Print, or you can also use the keyboard shortcut which is Command P. So let me use the keyboard shortcut which is Command and P, which will open the print preview. And from here I can again select the destination, what printer I want to choose. And once it is there, I can just configure more settings if I have to choose any other, like the header or background, or if I want to print on a both side or all other stuff. Once it is done, I can just go and simply give the print command and it will automatically print on that particular printer. So these are the simple ways to print. Most of the time each application has, if it has a printing ability, then you can find that option in your print command, or you can use the keyboard shortcut as Command P on that particular application. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. See you in the next one.